Hello and welcome. In this video you are going to know everything to get started with Metasploit. Without any further ado, let's get started. Actually, Metasploit was created by H.D. Moore in 2003 as a portable network tool using Perl. Then, by 2007, the Metasploit framework had been completely rewritten in Ruby. On October 20, 2009, Rapid7 acquired Metasploit. The Rapid7 Insight Cloud provides data collection, visibility, analytics, threat intelligence, automation, vulnerability management to establish a shared point of view between security, IT operations, and development teams. Metasploit is one of the most famous used penetration testing framework. There are two divisions between Metasploit: free version and pro version. The major difference between these two are: Metasploit Pro is the commercially supported edition of Metasploit, and is designed for enterprise security programs and for advanced penetration testers or ethical hackers. Metasploit Free is an open-source network security tool, notable for its contributions to penetration testers. Metasploit Free version is pretty good for beginners. Moving on to system requirements. Metasploit requires 2 to 4 GB of RAM, 1 GB of free space on disk, and a browser. There are 6 different modules on Metasploit: auxiliaries, payloads, exploits, encoders, NOPs, post. Exploit used to take advantage of the victim's computer. Payloads are malicious code. The auxiliary is used for scanning, fuzzing, sniffing. Encoders are used to convert code into information. Listeners are used to gain system access. NOPs is the set of instructions to keep payload from losing access. Post that can be run on compromised targets to gather evidence, pivot deeper into a target network. Where to learn Metasploit for free? Check out the Metasploit tutorial by Daniel Lowrie on David's YouTube channel. 4 parts in-depth Metasploit tutorial by HackerSploit. Even check out the official Metasploit YouTube channel for more information. After watching the above videos, what next? Try practicing the tool on TryHackMe and by now you will get a clear idea of the tool. For more information or queries related to Metasploit Pro, visit the Metasploit website. Thank you. If you liked the video, please subscribe to Code With Me channel.